Hey, welcome back to Find Your Max channel. Here we go. Today, battle rope workout, 12 minutes. Let's go. Single wave. That's right. We only have one wave going down. That's right. The arm movement, it's not alternating. It's the same. Just keep going. Today's exercise, we got 5 exercises. And we're gonna do it 3 sets. 3 sets of 5 exercise. Rest. 30 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. This is an HIIT workout. Alright, next up is a double wave. So we're doing alternating. We're moving our arms alternating. Okay, here we go. Do your best. Do your best. And trust me, it's very tiring. Alright guys, tighten up your core. There we go. Squeeze your shoulder blade. And keep waving that rope. Rest. Enjoy that rest. Control your breathing. Get your breathing under control. Alright, next exercise is rope slam. So this is the only exercise I want you to raise your rope above your head and slam it down. As you can see, you're kind of doing a little squat. Raise up the rope and squat down and drop the rope. Slam it. This is gonna train your explosiveness and also your cardiovascular. It's all good. Rest. Good job, guys. Keep pumping and keep pushing. Find your max. Alright, so the next exercise, it's a rope twist. As you can see, I'm changing the grip of the battle rope. More like a hammer grip or under grip. In this exercise, just rotate your torso and twist. Using your core and twist. Slam the rope side to side. Here we go. 10 more seconds. You got this. Woo! That's a workout. 20 seconds rest. Alright, now we're changing the grip back to our normal grip. Alright. Next up is in and out waves. Alright, so we're whipping our rope side to side. So you're just kind of raising your shoulders up and whip it in. So instead of vertical, we're doing lateral. Create that waves. Try to get your waves all the way down to the anchor. Yeah. You're gonna feel your shoulder burning on this one. Good job. Rest. Perfect. So that is the 5 exercise. Now we're coming down to round number 2. We're back to the single waves. And again, just wave the rope down. Try to create a wave all the way down to your anchor point. Alright? Sit back. Don't lean back. Okay? Sit. Don't lean back. And just wave that rope all the way down to the end. Control your core. Squeeze your shoulder blade. Athletic stance. You got this. Rest. Woo! I'm sweating. Oh yeah. Alright, next up, alternating or double wave. Here we go. 30 seconds on and 20 seconds off. While we're working, maximum effort. My maximum effort is different than your maximum effort, so don't compare to anybody else but you. Be true to yourself. Do the best you can. We want to raise our maximum heart rate to 80 to 90%. Oh yeah, here we go. And by this time, my arm was sore. Next up, rope slam. Slam that rope. Here we go. This is the only exercise that I want you to kind of raise your rope above your head, okay? This is a whole body explosive workout. Here we go. Share this video to your friends who might love a battle rope workout. Here we go. Good job, good job. Hey, you know what? Battle rope, if you don't have a battle rope, get yourself a towel. No excuse, okay? No excuse. Okay, next up, rope twist. We're using underhand grip and we're just twist that rope. It's on side to side. Squeeze your core. Yeah, let's try it. I'm using a 2-inch rope and this is quite heavy actually. Oh yeah, I'm struggling. Look at that. Woo. Alright, in and out waves. Let's do it. Alright, after this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and smash that like button. And share this video to anybody who would love a good battle rope workout. Thank you very much. Come on, you got this. Hold it in there, hold it in there. Come on, and rest. All right, that hard-earned break. You deserve it. Here we go. We're almost there. We're back to our exercise 1, and this is our 3rd set. We're almost there. Home stretch. Here we go. Focus on getting the wave all the way down to the end, to the anchor point. And I'm always an advocate about battle rope. They're so good. Burns your fat like butter. It melts it. All right, rest. And again, think about it, guys. 12 minutes. Come on. No excuse. Just do the best you can. All you need is 12 minutes. 5 exercise, 3 sets. All right, coming up, it's a double wave. Let's go. Yeah, by this set, I am exhausted. My arm was burning. My heart was racing. But you know what? Gotta find my max, right? Keep going. Alright, rope slam. Slam, slam, slam. Explosive, explosive. Go, go, go. Hey guys, if you're also looking for a battle rope to own, I have a link in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. Good job. Here we go. 2 more exercises to go, guys. Hold it in there. That's right. Wipe off your sweat. Coming up, rope twist. Let's train core. Core time. Let's twist. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Tighten up your core. Use your hip. Yeah. Good job, guys. Good job. And guess what, guys? We're home stretch. Last exercise. In and out waves. Finish it off strong. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. 20 seconds left. Let's go. Push, 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 push. You got this. You got this. 10 seconds left. All right, we're going to rest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Good job. Take a sip of water. Relax your body. Find your max. Until next time, guys. Peace.